All right, all right. We got DJ Luke in the house, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Thanks for coming down to the studio.
It's great to be here. I saw JDK the Underboss and Adonis and Max 17 on
Yeah,
was it last week?
How did you hear me?
Yeah,
Yes,
and
yes.
I've been aware of you, but I haven't been able to tune in. I was just like, okay, JDK mentioned it, and so I had to tune in, and I loved the presentation, and I like what you do so far.
Oh.
Yeah. Me being a radio host as well as a music producer and everything, we're in the same realm.
Okay, yeah. So I was going to get started with that. I was going to say, tell me a little bit about yourself. Tell me a little bit about yourself. You grew up in Sacramento. Are you from Sacramento? Sacramento native?
Oroville, actually.
Okay, Oroville.
So most of my life, including college at Chico State and everything, then moved to Sacramento shortly after. And I've been a musician my whole